Ginger lemon water, a powerful fasting booster. Hey everyone, today I want to chat with you about something awesome. Ginger lemon water and intermittent fasting. Let's dive in. First off, ginger is like a superhero when it comes to health. It's packed with over 115 antioxidants, which are like little warriors that fight inflammation and even cancer. Plus, it's great for things like nausea, gas, and motion sickness. And get this, ginger can help keep your blood sugar levels in check, which is super important for your health. Now, why add lemon? Well, when you're fasting or doing keto, there's a risk of getting kidney stones. Lemon has something called citrates, which can lower your risk of certain types of kidney stones. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin C, which is awesome for your immune system. Here's how to make it. Grab about 1 to 4 cups of shredded ginger and let it soak in 12 ounces of water for 30 to 60 minutes. Then, strain out the ginger fibers using a cheesecloth. Squeeze in the juice of a whole lemon, and boom, you've got yourself some ginger lemon water. Drink this concoction on an empty stomach while fasting. It won't break your fast, but it'll actually help you stay in a fasted state longer by keeping your blood sugar levels steady. Plus, it might help lower your cholesterol and blood pressure. And the best part? It can help curb your hunger, so you'll feel satisfied for longer. So there you have it, a simple and powerful remedy using ginger and lemon water. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who could use a health boost.